5% on high, 15% medium, and 80% low. What is high, medium, low? High is a P1 priority. High is P1 priority. Medium is a P2 priority. I will define what is the high, low, medium. And P3 is a low priority. And P4 and general is there. So that we will not talk. But these are the different categories of the alarm. But we need to ensure that the P1 is not more than 5%, because if you are getting 5%, operator will not able to take action. So guys, now the agenda of the day. Why we need to do the rationalization of alarm? Because we need to ensure that operator gets the alarm, and then we need to ensure that operation is safe.
Arman, sorry to interrupt you. The previous table which is not matching with the AGS requirement. You have only 5 minutes difference.
5 minutes? Where is 5 minutes?
Yeah. In the AGS, it is mentioned 0 to 5 minutes.
No, this
Upper-
is priority 5%. I mean, if you are getting
No.
100
You're talking
alarm,
about mention average alarms time 10-minute interval, no?
no. It is the, say for example, if you have 100 alarm, so 5% alarm should not be more than P1.
No,
P1
I'm
is
not. I'm
P3.
talking about the second point. Average alarms slash 10-minute interval. This interval already different ages is different than this.
Okay. So we will see. This is okay, but I'm talking about the last one, distribution.
Yeah. Last one is fine. I'm talking about the interval time, no?
Okay.
It should be. You should follow
What
as per
interval time
ages.
now?
Yes.
5%, huh?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
See,
Okay.
I think you have the
No,
same
no,
ages, right?
no. But
Yeah.
I think
50 minutes.
Guru, what we
Yes.
follow is normally per hour. Like if we say
Correct.
two per 10 minutes means 12 per hour. So our KPIs, everything is to make it below 12 per hour.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys. So the last one is just we are saying P1, P2, and P3. So now we are talking about the why to do the rationalization, because to ensure that operator gets the credible alarm, to ensure safe operation, and of course we need to prevent unplanned shutdown, damage to equipment and processes, and we need to ensure that operator performance is up to the mark. He performs the role as per the definition, as per the alarm philosophy, and of course we need to follow the AGES as well as ISA 18.2. And of course, our intention is also to ensure the quality product. If you see this flow chart, this is a complete flow chart of complete life cycle of alarm management